Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I am making some healthy grilled chicken and ranch wraps. These come together in under 15 minutes and are so good. First start off with seasoning your chicken breast with salt and pepper or with any seasoning you like. You can also use rotisserie chicken or some leftover chicken, whichever you would like. If you're new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. I post 2 new recipes every week. Then add some oil in your skillet, and once the oil is hot, you can add the chicken. You're going to let them cook for about 5 minutes before flipping them. After you flip them, continue to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until they reach internal temperature of 165. Then you're going to slice the chicken and can place in a bowl to put aside. You're going to have to prep the other ingredients. You're going to need lettuce, sliced tomatoes, shredded cheese of your choice, I'm using Fiesta blend, and any dressing of your choice. I'm using Hidden Valley Original Ranch. Now it's time to assemble your chicken wrap. First lay a flour tortilla on a clean flat surface. Then place some lettuce, sliced tomatoes, chicken, and some ranch, and some shredded cheese over. Now you're going to fold tightly to form a burrito shape. First fold in the sides, then fold up the bottom flap, then roll it up tight. Now in a heavy-duty pan or cast iron square grill pan like I'm using, place the wraps in and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side on medium heat or until the tortilla is crispy and golden.
Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye! Before you guys go, if you want to see some more chicken recipes, I'll have one right here, and I'll have a dessert recipe right below. And please click below to subscribe, and thanks again for watching.